Oh, baby, 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 baby. Guess what? You have to encourage yourself. Yeah? Most of the time, the people won't be around to encourage you. So, as you master thyself, put encouragement mechanism in place. Supposing you sense yourself going downhill, you know things are not going right, there is a disappointment along the way, how will you pull yourself out? The best way is always to remember the times when you pulled yourself out. Keep a journal, write and record, you know, those places where you got victories, and that's going to help you when disappointment comes. So have a methodology of encouraging yourself, uplifting yourself, remembering that if you were once in a ditch and you came out, you'll do it again. And guess what? With time, you get stronger, you build muscle strength and emotional intelligence, in that you're not easily disappointed or crumble when things are not going your way, because you know they will get back on track at some point. Talk to you soon.